Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best digital microscope on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Elikliv EDM9 Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EDM9 Digital Microscope is an affordable and versatile device suitable for various hobbies and professions. It features a 7-inch LCD screen with a 270-degree rotation, a 12MP camera sensor, and a continuous zoom range of 10x to 1200x. The microscope can be adjusted using the focus wheel or wired remote control and features 10 LED lights for adjustable illumination. It supports TF card storage up to 32 GB and can be connected to a computer via USB or HDMI cables. The package includes a metal stand, a transparent lens protector, and a rechargeable battery for up to 4 hours of continuous use. However, the magnification range is not accurate. The focus wheel and remote control are not sensitive, and image quality may vary depending on lighting conditions and distance. Additionally, the user manual is not clear and may cause confusion or frustration. Overall, the Elikliv EDM9 Digital Microscope is a great choice for those looking to explore the microscopic world with a large and clear screen. Number 4. G1000 Digital Microscope. The G1000 Digital Microscope is a powerful and versatile tool for exploring microcosms and microstructures. It features an HD 12-megapixel sensor, ensuring exceptional clarity and vividness in images. The 9-inch HD LCD display provides a comfortable viewing area, allowing for comfortable observation without straining the eyes. The microscope offers continuous amplification, allowing for seamless zooming in and out, and adjustable object distance. Video capabilities are equally impressive, with AV format support and a maximum resolution of 1080 FHD. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the variety of photo formats, particularly JPEG, which capture stunning images with resolutions ranging from 12 to 3 megapixels. Manual focus diagonal mode allows precise control over focus, ensuring sharp and distinctly displayed microscopic features. The G1000 Digital Microscope comes with 8 LED lamps, adjustable brightness, and the option to connect an external LED source for ample lighting. It is compatible with various operating systems, including Win XP, Win 7, Win 8.1, Win 10, and Mac OS X 10.5 or higher, making it a user-friendly device suitable for a wide range of users. The device is available in 16 language systems, further enhancing its accessibility and global appeal. Number 3. Eakins Digital Microscope. The Eakins Digital Microscope is a powerful tool that combines cutting-edge technology with precision engineering, allowing users to explore microcosms. With a 48-megapixel Panasonic sensor, it delivers high-resolution images in various resolutions, including 48M and 16M. The 5x digital zoom enhances magnification, and the microscope offers seamless video recording in 4K, 2K, 1080p, and 720p. The robust all-metal housing and compatible C-mount lenses ensure flexibility in optic selection. The intelligent features include auto-manual white balance, multicolor overlays, mirroring, and grid lines for alignment and calibration. The user-friendly interface includes language options for a global audience and 16:9/16 10/4 3 aspect ratio compatibility. The 56 bright white LED bulbs provide intense illumination with a lifespan of 100,000 hours, and the power supply is compatible with 5 to 12V input at 1A, ensuring low power consumption. Number 2. Jingleszcn F201 Digital Microscope. The Jingleszcn F201 Digital Microscope is a compact and versatile microscope that offers impressive specifications, allowing users to explore both macro and microcosms with ease. With a focus range of 1 mm to 90 mm, it can examine intricate details of insects and larger objects. With a magnification ratio of 50x to 1000x, it can observe even the tiniest particles and fascinating structures of various specimens. The F201 also captures images and videos in AVI, JPEG, or BMP formats, making it ideal for educational purposes, presentations, or preserving findings. The built-in LED light source with 8 adjustable settings and control wheel ensure clear and well-lit visuals, even in low light conditions or reflective surfaces. The microscope's compatibility ensures smooth experiences regardless of operating system, and its USB port power and 800 mAh battery ensure on-the-go use. The sleek black exterior adds a touch of sophistication to your workspace or laboratory. Number 1. ANDONSTAR AD208 Digital Microscope. The ANDONSTAR AD208 Digital Microscope is a revolutionary tool for observing and exploring the microscopic world. Its large 8.5-inch LCD screen provides a crystal-clear viewing experience, allowing for multi-angle observation and enhanced flexibility. The metal bracket is both durable and adjustable, providing a three-dimensional visual effect and larger operating space. The AD208 features brilliant illumination for enhanced imaging, with 2 LED lights in the bracket base and 8 LED lights built into the microscope. It also supports memory card recording and photo capture, allowing users to save observations on micro South Dakota cards and capture high-resolution images and videos. The user-friendly multilingual interface supports 12 languages, ensuring easy navigation and access to the full range of features. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.